Today I'll be showing you guys how to check your book sales on Amazon. If you're new on Amazon and you just published a book and you're wanting to check for the sales and how the book is performing, kindly watch this video to the end. So when you get into your Amazon dashboard, you go straight and click on reports. You click on reports, which is close to the bookshelf. You see, yes, I just started. I have no books yet published. So this here you see all your books that's been published. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.